Now, if you're like us and you missed OshKosh this year, well, you're in luck. You're first in line for all this treasure. This Piper Aerostar 602P was shipped internationally, and that unfortunately ended its flying days. But we're gonna get all sorts of goodies from this Aerostar. This Piper Aerostar PA60 602P with the Mach-E Superstar 700 conversion is gonna yield all sorts of Piper Aerostar parts. We have both Lycoming engines, and they are not prop struck. It's got a Garmin GNS 530W. It's got that exclusive Mach-E conversion available. And while OshKosh is buzzing, you're scooping the deals. These upgrades will vanish faster than sweet tea at a barbecue. Now, this Piper PA46 301P Malibu was grounded in a grassy field, but it's full of gold. From Garmin GTN 650 and Aspen avionics to a whole range of premium cockpit gear, our professionals are meticulously pulling the best bits from this Piper Malibu. But hurry, Malibu parts go quicker than folks at an air show sprinting towards the warbirds. Now, this Piper Comanche is an aviation legend that's finally met her match, but there is still gold between those wings, and our mechanics are meticulously pulling each and every part. This Piper PA24-250 Comanche has a Garmin GTN 750 Navcom, a solid but prop-struck Lycoming O-540 engine, and lots more coming right off of this Comanche. Now, this Cessna Skycatcher is never catching air again, but the parts will. Our team is surgically harvesting every goodie from this Cessna 162, like the pristine Garmin G300 avionics, a non-prop struck and smooth running Continental O-200 engine, and those spotless cabin doors.